Hi everyone! I hope you are doing well today. For today's vlog, ay explore natin ang bagong open na sports park dito sa Kai-Tak. Ito ay matatagpuan sa Playfield 5 sa may North Garden at 7 to 10 minutes walk lang from the MTR station. Ang starting point natin is Kai-Tak MTR Station Exit D. Paglabas niyo sa Exit D, just walk straight at dito na kayo papasok sa nilagyan ko ng arrow. Lakarin nyo lang yan ng diretsyo at dito na kayo mag-turn left. And then turn right at baybayin nyo lang tong daan. Pagdating niyo dito guys ay dito na kayo dadaan. And then, makita na ninyo ang Playfield 5. At yan lang guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next adventure and follow for more.